This is the install video for the CZ P10c Magwell. The mag extensions and plates installed the same as our M&P. We have videos on that as well. But the CZ is a little bit different for the Magwell. So you want to take some type of plastic ring or something where you have, a little bit of gap between the pistol and where you're wanting to get this pin out. You will need a 3/32 roll pin punch. A roll pin punch is different than a standard punch because it has that little tip on it that goes inside the roll pin and allows it to have better support. So this one has been taken out a few times, so it is coming out very smooth, but it will be different when we put the Magwell on. The pins on these have kind of some serrated teeth on them like that, and the pin is rolled, so it's a sheet that's rolled together and it's got those serrated teeth that actually grab the plastic on there. And so that's why ours came out so easy, because I've installed this, taken it on and off a few times for checking fitment on different Magwells and stuff. This Magwell's already been installed a few times. You can see it does have a little bit of wear around the teeth, or around that slot there where the pin actually sits, because I have taken it on and off a few times. But leaving the back strap on there, so it works with all the back straps for that. I'll show you it's cleaner. I've already checked it earlier. But anyway, so this will kind of hook onto the front a little bit on that lip. It kind of flares out just a little bit, so kind of hook onto there and then start to go back. And then what you'll do is you'll actually kind of pull this back a little bit over the back to snap into place. Then look through the hole, make sure everything is lined up pretty well. You may see a bit of the post that the Magwell has back there. That's fine if you're seeing it on the back side, because when you push the pin in, it'll actually suck the Magwell to the back and give it a nice tight feel. On the pin, if you look at the pin on this one, it's kind of separated a little bit more on this side than it is on this side. It's a bit tighter, so I would start with this side and I would have the teeth facing towards the front so that it's not grabbing the aluminum on the back of that post. So hold that, make sure that's down good, everything's nice and tight. Start feeding that in, and you saw how easy that one went into where it gets to making contact with the Magwell, because it's been in and out so many times. Yours might be a little bit less easy to go in. So kind of hold everything in position good, and then take your hammer, start to tap it in. And so that goes all the way to about there where I safely tapped it in. So it's already got the Magwell nice and captured. It's strong on there. Now we just need to seat it the rest of the way. So that, I'm going to take our roll pin punch. And you want it just below the surface. So see, there's more room on that side, so we can actually put it a little bit deeper. But as long as it's just below the surface, then it'll be out of the way and nice and comfortable. So it's nice, about even on both sides. Now the Magwell has a nice, good grip to it, a nice seamless transition funnel, so that those mags go in nice and easy. This is our base plate that we made to make it a little bit lower profile for EDC carry. And this is our, I believe it's a +3 or +4. I'm not sure how many it adds. We designed this off of the full-size mag so that the extension stays in the 141 range. We do not make a longer one for the compact, but this gives you, should give you, what, 15, at least 18 rounds. If there is a lot of interest in it, we may make a longer one for the compact so that you can get more rounds in it. But as of right now, these are the extension and plates that we offer. And the plates both work for the full size as well. The Magwell is different on the full size. I'll be making a video on that as well.